As you've seen by the title, we're going to be doing a Depop haul. I've spent so many hours looking for these items. I think I've ordered 2 pairs of shoes so far, 3 jumpers and a pair of trousers. So we got a lot to go through. And that list might be added to as we go along in this video. But our first item, which I literally got about 2 minutes ago in the post, is a pair of shoes, I believe. That is what it feels like. But let's actually open this. This is probably one of the ones I'm most excited for because I got these shoes for a mad steal. God, they've wrapped them up nicely though. Even they've got a nice little sticker on the back as well. These don't have a box, but to me, that doesn't really matter. Look at this packaging. That's sick. Can I rip it like this? Oh, I have. Oh my God. But we have the 9/7 upper with the TN bottom in the silver bullet colorway. Oh my God, I've got a sticker as well. It just popped out the bottom. Oh, look at that. That is sick. Don't know where I'm going to stick that, but I'll stick it somewhere one day. On the listing for these, it just said good condition, so I don't really know what the condition's going to be like, but to be honest, they look pretty perfect. Like the sole doesn't look too worn at all. There's no real visible marks. There's a little bit of scuffing on the back and a little bit there, but I think that's mainly dirt. I think you could probably get a lot of that out, but it's pretty much exactly the same story of the other shoe. The sole's pretty much brand new and there's only really a little bit of wear. These are a size 9, so I don't know how they're gonna fit me. I think they'll fit pretty well though. Like I'm kind of a size 9 to 9.5. Oh my God. Oh, they fit perfectly. I don't actually think they could fit me any better, but these are hard. These are so hard. Like, these are so sick. But these shoes as well have added an inch to my height. So this is me standing just on the one foot that I haven't got the shoe on, and then I'll go on the foot that I do have the shoe on. I've literally grown an inch. I'm actually so gassed, but let's get on to the second item when it arrives. It is literally the next day and I've now got 3 parcels. I have absolutely no clue what this is. This might not even be from Depop. It does have my name on it, so it's going to be interesting seeing whatever it is. But then these 2 are definitely from Depop. I don't know what one's what, so let's get into opening it. I'll come back to that mystery one at the end. I'll start off with this like brown one first. Oh, I think this is the Reebok jumper. Oh no, it's trousers. Got that very wrong. Oh yes, they've got pockets on the side. Yes. I did not think these were going to be like this. Like, I didn't think these were going to be like as workwear, but these are a pair of like Dickies, kind of like cargo trousery style things in like a lightish green in a way, a bit more of a pale green, brand new, got the tag on it still and everything. The inside tag looks like it's been cut out though, which is a bit weird. These are a really big waist, so I hope they do fit me. The photos did say the model was the same size as me, so let's hope. I'll try them on at the end once we've unboxed everything. Then we get into our second one, the grey one. I think I could have a guess what this is because I think this is the only other one that's been sent through Royal Mail. It is not the one that I thought it was, but I'm gassed that it is this one. We've got a vintage Reebok like jumper crew neck. Just absolutely destroyed a can on my desk. Good thing it didn't have anything in it, but this is sick. I think it's going to be a bit big. It is a size large, but I did kind of buy it to have it as a bit of like an oversized fit. And then on to the mystery box, which who knows what it could be. I hope it's the other pair of shoes. No way! They've arrived! Yes! Yes! Right, this is nothing to do with the Depop unboxing, but these are a pair of headphones that I literally ordered like 3 weeks ago. I thought I got scammed. I thought they were never coming. Yes, so gassed. God, the noise cancelling on this is insane. I can barely hear myself. Nah, look how sick the jumper is. I've just tried it on. Oh my God, it fits me so nicely. Like the neck is tight, but it's a really good oversized fit. I'll try the trousers on now. Here is the completed outfit. Excuse the mess in the background. Got a little excited before I started filming, so everything just did get thrown everywhere. But the crew neck fits pretty much exactly how I wanted it to. Quite an oversized fit, but still tight around the neck. This is so sick. But the trousers are without a doubt a 36 waist. They fit me quite like a nice baggy fit, but if I lift up the jumper or wear a less oversized jumper, you will see how they fold over where I have to tighten them up with my belt. I haven't tried walking anywhere in these yet, but if you jump, they don't fall down, so that's a good sign. But I'll come back hopefully with 2 jumpers and a pair of shoes, and hopefully even more. Apologies apologies for what is definitely very horrific looking lighting, but I've just got another package. I stepped outside my door and it was just there. But the reason for the horrific lighting would be that it is now, I think it's about 8 o'clock, and I've just discovered this parcel, and that last clip I filmed I think was about 9:30. So it's been about 11 hours since the last clip, and obviously I've cleared up since then and I've kind of like done my day of editing. But the jumper that we have got now, this is the second to last jumper that I've currently ordered. A yellow starter jumper. Don't really know anything about starter tags, so this one could have been made yesterday or 4 years ago. But let's try it on, see if it actually fits. It fits okay. It's a proper like boxy fit though, like really boxy. Never really understood what the boxy fit meant until this moment currently. But it fits all right. It could be a little bit longer, like it does literally only just go below like where my jeans would start. But yeah, overall not too bad. I think I'll definitely wear this a little bit. I'm looking forward to the second jumper a lot more than this one though. But that is not what we have today. What we have is what I believe to be the second pair of shoes. What we also don't have today is audio from my microphone, because for some reason it didn't feel like recording. But I'll just do a little voiceover. I'll save you a little bit of time because I was waffling this day as well. But I got a pair of old school Vans. I think there was a little bit of wear on the back here, and there was a little bit of scuffing around the side, but it really wasn't too deep. Once I clean it, it'll easily come out. And here's me showing you them on. They fit absolutely amazing. I couldn't have shown you in a more awkward way. But what are you saying about the set as well? Should I use this set more often? What are you saying? But I'll come back to you in real time when I've got the next jumper. Hopefully it's soon. And here I am back in real time, and it has been a real long time since I last checked in. It's been almost a week, but our next parcel has finally arrived. But before I show you that, I'll show you something that fell out of the Nike TNs, which I completely forgot to show you. I'm pretty sure I showed you this sticker, but it also came with 2 little badges, which I thought were quite sick. They're just little ones with the same profile picture of the guys. I thought these were quite sick. I don't know where I'm ever going to use them, but I've got them now. But let's get on to the last parcel. I am so gassed to open this. As I said, I've been waiting such a long time. This is my favourite part without a doubt, sliding it out of the packaging. But the last thing I ordered was another starter jumper. This one I think is going to be a lot better, because as you can see, the starter logo is just better to start with. It's on pretty much exactly the same tag, I think. If not exactly the same, it is really similar. Didn't know about this, and it's got this on the arm, or I just completely forgot about it. That is sick. But let's try it on, see how it fits. This one fits exactly how I wish the other one fit. More of a proper jumper crew neck, like quite a tighter fit, not really boxy. This literally could not fit me any better. This jumper is so hard. I wish I could do these unboxings every week. You could always make that happen by subscribing and dropping this video a like. But I really do hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you in another video.